Hi, my name is Cindy, and if you've been here before, so glad you came back. And if you're new, welcome to Z9 Designs. Today, I am going to show you some things that I made for Mother's Day. And I want to tell you about my mother. She was so beautiful, loving, and kind, and she made sure that I could make it on my own. And why do you think I'm crafty? She's the reason. Keep watching and be sure to hit that subscribe button to get some awesome gift ideas. In addition, like, save, and comment. It really helps my channel grow. So let's create. DIY gift number 1, a flower candle holder. Supplies needed are a flower-shaped container from Dollar Tree, a yellow candle, Dollar Tree, a tiny white candle flower from Dollar Tree, and the candle wick from Temu, and some yellow and green art markers. This flower trinket box was purchased at Dollar Tree, and since it was empty, I decided this would look really nice as a candle. I wanted it to be bright, so I purchased a yellow candle from Dollar Tree and melted it to a liquid consistency. Then I placed a sticky pad in the bottom of the trinket tray and placed the candle wick on top. And then, of course, the next you all know, you pour the wax into the trinket box. But you know, I had to do something a little extra, so I threaded the candle wick into the small wax flower and set it on top of the yellow candle. The only thing I wish I had done was to leave the wick a little bit longer instead of cutting it down. However, I was able to thread the wick through the small flower, and we'll just have to see how this works when they burn the candle. In addition, I highlighted the flowers on the outside of the top with art markers in yellow and green. I just went around the flowers in yellow and the stems in green, and I think this is so pretty as a Mother's Day gift. Since the flower is on top of the yellow candle, the top will just have to come on the side, and then you can just put it on the side, and then when it melts down, you can put the lid on top. Let me know what you think about this. DIY gift number 2, a necklace. I took a magazine and cut different sections of blue because that's what this mother wanted. I used a benzoil pendant, clear glass cabochon, a 20-inch black satin cord necklace, some glitter, and some of that Mod Podge Dimensional Magic that was from Joann's. This is an easy but a beautiful gift. In fact, this will be a giveaway for a Mother's Day because I made 2. All you need to do is subscribe, like, save, comment, and leave a heart. A friend of mine wanted a blue necklace because she saw how beautiful the other ones I made of various colors, and blue was her favorite color. Various snippets of blue paper for her to peruse, and she picked out this one. The picture was actually a light fixture, but it had a gold, I guess it was the light on, in the center. And so I cut out the circle and glued it to the inside of the benzoil pendant. Then I sprinkled some glitter on the paper and I glued it down with some Mod Podge. That would be enough to keep the paper inside the benzoil pendant. And the last thing I did was to apply some Mod Podge Dimensional Magic. Then you're going to put the glass cabochon in the center And you don't want to put too much of the dimensional magic, you just want to put a little bit. And after a few days, this makes it very vibrant and pretty. And then I threaded a 20-inch black satin cord on the necklace, and maybe later on I will add her initial. But I think this is so pretty, and I'm sure she will love this one-of-a-kind necklace. Mother's Day Ideas is an open playlist hosted by Sunflower Tasha DIYs and DIY with Aria. These are lovely women who have awesome channels, and I can't say enough about how helpful and sweet they are. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels. Check them out. The link to their channel is in the description box below. Now, there are other collaborators who are excited for you to see what they've made also. So check their channels out also. The link to the playlist is in the description box below. DIY gift number 3, a pink heart trinket tray. The supplies needed include a pink bliss acrylic paint, a bubble heart mold, sandpaper, Mod Podge, and plaster of Paris. I mixed cold water and approximately 1.5 cups of plaster of Paris. In fact, this was left over from another project I did with the hand mold. I got out my heart mold and poured the remainder of the mixed plaster of Paris and removed it the next morning. The back was sanded until smooth, and a coat of pink bliss acrylic paint was brushed on top. And now it was complete. DIY gift number 4, a candle and match holder. The supplies needed include a small glass bottle, and I thrifted this, rub-on transfers, these are from Amazon, some matches, and they have to be the longer matches. And then what you need for the candle holder is a dish that holds incense. But I took that part off. And you need E6000, pliers or hammer, a candle, and a metal or plastic plumbing part, and some white flat spray paint. I thought it would be a nice idea to make a matching set with a candle holder and a match holder. And I found an incense holder, and I took pliers and attempted to remove the holder part. Now, I was able to get it off with the help of a hammer. Now, this is very risky because you can break the entire plate. But I had done this before, and so I was confident that I would be able to successfully remove the unwanted part. Then I purchased a metal part, and I don't know, it's just something about the metal parts. They look a little bit more professional to me. And you find this in the plumbing section of the hardware store. And this was to hold the candle. But you can also use plastic plumbing parts. I have done that before, and that looks just as good. But for Mother's Day, I wanted something a little special. So E6000 was used to adhere it to the plate. I just put the E6000 around the metal part and attached it to the plate. Now, where the little bulb was for the incense holder, it left it a little bit rough, but when you cover it up with the plumbing part, you don't even see that. So now I was on to the match holder. This was also an easy DIY to add to the candle holder. And you know, sometimes you don't want gifts that take a lot of time and are really difficult to make. So what I did is I used some things I already had, some thrifted things. So I had a small thrifted glass container. It was really cute, and I kind of put my long matches in there and it looked wonderful. And I was like, oh, this can be a set. So I used rub-on transfer, and this was from Amazon, to cover the bottle. So I just used flowers and some of the writing, and I just went on around the little small bottle until it was covered. And then I found some long matches that I used to fill the jar, and there you have it, a beautiful pair. Now this would make a great addition to one's coffee table, so I may have to make one for myself. Now, if you've made it this far, congratulations. Leave a heart emoji and you will be entered into the drawing to win the other necklace. And if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram. Hopefully TikTok will still be here, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each week. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, be joyful. I am a joyful woman because a joyful woman raised me. Happy Mother's Day. See you later. Bye-bye.